anybody seen one of these before? What is that? So we got the camera gear already. I got the drone in a new case. I'm gonna go for the 100% case. It's kind of fitting real nice. Everything is charged, but the issue is right out here. And since we had a snow day, I need to wash the car. So that's what we're gonna do. Snow's still on the ground, not too much, but there was enough for me to slide around the other day, and we just gotta clean the car. It's just mandatory. Camera gear ready to go. The room is somewhat clean, laundry done. Let's hit the door. And there she is, nice and dirty. Let's get this done. Whoa, missed the gate. There it is. Oh yeah, this is ridiculous, so dirty. Christmas tree, Christmas tree, Christmas tree, yes indeed. Wow, I only have 2 lights. I usually have about 15 or 20 up here. Looks pretty good. All right, let's go. So now we park and wait, and we get the drone out. Oh yes, the color's back. You know what? I said it was gonna be an unedited video, but unfortunately I'm not up to that caliber, so we're gonna have to do some edits here. I have the drone up, getting some shots, and I hope it looks all right. And just like that, we got a nice, clean car. Back to the house. And just like that, into the parking spot. I almost slipped and gave another outro, but here we go. And just like that, we are done. I know this might be a randomly short, random uploaded vlog. I'm just testing out the drone to see just what I can do with it, what I can't do without it. And so far, I think it worked out just fine. Entering the casa, let's go. We're gonna test out 60 frames per second in the 4K. The car is finally clean. And back to the documentary uploads that we're going to be doing here. I know this is just a short upload, but if you're new to the channel, I'm Tommy Shea. Go ahead and check out some other videos. I got an interesting story going on. And with that, let's get this uploaded and see just exactly what we're working with on the specs of the drone. And I gotta say, this little 100% case is kind of ideal for the drone. It looks pretty good. Also, we do have a $25 Atlantis chip. We're gonna go to the casino and see what we can do on the table.